dying of 24-hour eyelashes? Well, keep watching. I'm gonna show you tricks and ways to get these eyelashes like this. Keep watching.
Oh my God.
I know I don't have no eyelashes. People be like, your eyelashes is bald-headed. My eyelashes did fall off when I had individuals. Like, literally, I just scratch my eye and pull my eyelash out. I try not to scratch my eyes, try to use like this method, but that didn't work. It still fell off, so I just stopped wearing individuals and I started wearing the glue-on ones.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply them right now. Okay, so I get a lot of questions on how my eyelashes be lasting, and I do use what mostly everybody use is hair glue, and it looks just like that. And I also use something else. Now, I know y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? What the fuck? I use Bold Hold. I used to use Ghost Bond glue, but I ran out, so I just stopped using it. So I do use Boho, and Boho glue, let me tell y'all, it works. Your eyelashes will not come off until like the end of the day. Really. I use my Boho. It looks dirty because I be using it on my wigs. I use the E01 Eyelashes. I will link it in the description box below. Basically, you already know what to do first is apply mascara. They don't look that bald-headed no more. Look at that. A little line. Okay, sis. Let's see what you're working with. Okay, okay. And if you ever want to remove your eyelashes at night and you too scared to like pull them off because of the Boho is like kind of strong but not really strong, use this. Just get a cotton swab, rub it right above the eyelash, and then it's gonna come off. This stuff is good. This is for wigs too. It don't matter what wig you got on, synthetic, Brazilian, Malaysian, Palasian, it don't matter. That stuff is good, let me tell you. Okay, so I grab my eyelashes out and I use these kind of tweezers. I use these to apply them on. Then I use these to just fix them and place them everywhere. Okay, so first thing first is I got my cotton swab. Then I got my hair glue. All you gotta do is just draw it on her. Don't apply a lot or your eyelashes just gonna rip off. Just do not apply a lot. This thing is covered by the blood.
Hallelujah.
You can apply it just like this if you don't want it on for like the whole day. Like if you're gonna go party and you're not trying to mess your eyelashes up or anything, trust me, use this. I don't be going to parties like that, but when I'm in school, I do not want my eyelashes falling off. I be in class for like 3 hours, and going in class looking all flawless and coming out looking all bald, that ain't the move, baby. So you just dab it on there, like literally just dab it on there. Do not add too much, just dab it. And then I just take into this. Sorry y'all, my hands are so dirty. I try to get this cotton swab out. I was struggling. And then I wait until it gets a little dry, gets a little clear like that. And this is the worst eye to actually put it on because I'm left-handed and I feel like it's better to just do that. But make sure the small ends and the long ends supposed to be equal. The long end supposed to be on this corner of the eye. The short end supposed to be on this corner of the eye.
I contacted on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso, right? I ain't even taking on torso. Rushing this fire, I'm torso, right? Young kitty died on the floor, so right? She broke my heart to the core, so right? I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living. So that we can live on this shit, just did it. Did it for 5 minutes. It's not in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just drill a big ticket. When we get up, there's nowhere to go. We can drill it, with the damn. Look at the yellow rose in the whole rifle. Me and her got to go circle. I'm gonna listen to the Bible. Wait, don't keep this like Michael. Like a light bulb.
guys, that is the finishing look. I think I like it. It's pretty impressive. It's just this eyelash looks a little. That is all that I have today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will post videos mostly every week, and I'll try to help you guys be a baddie like me, period. Bye guys.